Hey folks, Adam here, and I just installed my brand new THINKWARE dash cam, and I'm going to tell you right about it, and we're going to kick it off right about now. First, let me make sure the car's in park. Second, okay, so in case you didn't know, I was recently in an automobile accident. No big deal. I was literally stopped at a red light. A lady pulled up in front of me, pulled to the space in front of me, clipped my front end. I thought, no big deal. She hit me. All will be well. The insurance company will take care of it. Then I got a call. Apparently, she was suing me. She said that I rear-ended her. She said she could never work again because of a neck injury and that she wanted over $1 million as a settlement. Literally, I was stopped at a red light doing nothing wrong. So I talked to my insurance company and they said, "Did you have a dash cam?" They assigned me a lawyer. They said, "Did you have a dash cam?" I talked to a friend of mine who's a lawyer. He said, "Did you have a dash cam?" Because frankly, people can sue you for just about anything in the United States. We're a very litigious society. Someone can cut you off and they can say you hit them. Somebody can run a red light and they can say you ran a red light. So I talked to my insurance company and I said, well, what dash cam should I get? Well, they said you should get something that you can hardwire into your car. They said you want something that works well in low light. Something with continuous recording to where you never have to worry about running space on the memory card. So I looked all over the market. I wanted something that was low light. I wanted something that was 4K so I could read a license plate if somebody hits me and runs off. I wanted something that would be easy and convenient to install. Well, guess what? When it all came down to it, THINKWARE was the right solution for me. So folks, you see how my iPhone camera has a lot of glare? The image doesn't look real good over here. Well, that's one of the things that I wanted to make sure that I had the Starvis sensor associated with my camera, because this is great in low light scenarios, and when the sun is setting, it's still capturing great images. So that was a very important aspect for me, to make sure that I got a beautiful image every single time. So folks, I'm going to ask my editor to make sure we show some overlays here, but I definitely wanted it equipped with high-performance Sony Starvis IMX415 sensor. That means that the front camera gets great footage at night, at dusk, in day. This gives you enhanced clarity and visibility all times of day. That's important to me. I wanted parking and surveillance mode, because if somebody breaks into your car, somebody does something wrong, I want to see who did it. And when it's hardwired in, we are able to track that with motion surveillance, impact surveillance, time lapse, and everything in between. It's got a park monitor, energy saving mode to where it's not draining your battery as well. Yeah, it's absolutely perfect. That makes me happy, and I know it's going to make you happy too. In addition, it has built-in thermal sensors that are going to trigger to make sure that this thing works all the time, saving your recordings. It is perfect. It even ties into your radar, and it's going to show all of your critical data, we'll say, on the bottom of the screen, to where you know your speed, you know your location, everything you need to know is right there. It has multiple recording modes as well. That's continuous, incident as well. As soon as it detects an incident, it will go ahead and record it and save it to where you don't have to worry about it. It even kind of goes backwards and makes sure that you have all the footage you have. Everything you need is available for you. Motion detection, energy saving. This thing has smart file management as well. That makes me super happy. The fact that it ties in a big card that you can plug right into your computer, or you can tie it right in with the app so you can monitor it straight from the app is really cool. Now, the anti-file corruption mode is very nice. You never have to worry about corrupt files. On older models with other companies, when you shut off your car, it corrupts the last file. That's no good. The loop recording also makes sure that you're not losing any data when your memory card gets full. Folks, another thing I like on this is it tracks your exact location, and it's very easy to set up. All you have to do, plug it in, and it's pretty much ready to go. There's no additional work for you. This is dummy proof, even for people that aren't tech experts. So folks, the bottom line is I highly recommend you go pick one up. Great brand, great quality, durable, reliable, responsible, sophisticated, chic. You're gonna love it. Folks, I also want to point out that this brand right here is a premier brand that has been doing this for a long period of time. Everyone from their marketing team to their engineering team to their customer service people, I've worked with them all. They've all been fantastic, helpful, reliable, responsible, and they have practically a 0 defect rate on their products, which makes them the best of the best, which makes me happy and should make you happy as well. Now, when it comes to connecting to the app, I love that I can literally just push an app on my phone, push a button on my phone, and I'm connected to the app. It's easy and convenient. They've made this at a price point that you can't afford not to pick one up. Don't let those bad guys get you. Make sure you got a camera on the front and the rear of your vehicle, 4K right out the front with that Starvis sensor. You won't be disappointed. This thing is fantastic. It's time to pick it up. And if you want even more information, stick around for our up-close portion of the video where we show the product up close and personal. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Goodbye, my friends. All right, folks, now it's time for the up-close portion of our video. Now, THINKWARE has been a great partner. This is the 2-channel bundle, 4K UHD, 2K QHD, HDR, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS are all included. Using that Starvis sensor, the ARC or ARC 700 is really a tremendous option. Now, the app is available in your Apple Store and in your Google Store. All right. 2160p UHD 4K rear 1440 QHD using the Sony Starvis sensor, HDR, front and rear continuous mode only, parking surveillance, and a whole lot more. Impact detection, energy saving, time lapse also included. Safety camera alert, super night mode for front camera only, and smart parking sensor and recognition make this a great option for you and an even better option for me. So when we open her up, you can see they really packed this nicely. Great brands always spend a little extra time on their packaging and materials, and you see they've done a tremendous job here. Whoop, there we go. All right, THINKWARE. Record, got the microphone, format, Wi-Fi, and your power button. It's going to easily connect. Boy, we are excited about this brand. Now the camera itself, that 4K is pretty impressive. Nice long cabling, so it'll run to the back. Coolio and the gang. Of course, you have your rear camera with adhesive. The adhesive right here, and this will go right to your windshield. Extra piece of adhesive, that's nice in case you decide to move it around. The hard wiring cable, that's great for park mode. This has red light alerts as well, excuse me. And in case you need to pop it off, there you go. And a little extra adhesive for your cabling. They've included everything. I like that they did not skimp. A quick start guide. And the WARRANTY information. So folks, if you're looking for a great brand, it's great for buses, cars, minivans, and RVs. It's got that fast Wi-Fi connectivity, microphone and speaker. Sometimes I like to turn off that microphone. UHD parking surveillance, safety camera alerts, built-in GPS enables speed and red light camera alerts, embeds GPS data and location in the video footage. That's really nice. Integrated thermal protection, built-in thermal sensors, actively monitor temperatures and levels, automatically shutting off in extreme temperatures. The integrated supercapacitors provide safety and reliability, ensuring uninterrupted operation. Boy, that is nice looking, right? Loop recording for continuous coverage, even when your memory card is low. When it reaches capacity, it'll get rid of some of the older segments, and anti-file corruption Gets rid of the need for frequent reformatting. Yeah. Great technology, making sure you have no loss of data. Folks, we highly recommend this brand. This is going to be easy to set up, easy to pick up, and something that's going to really, really change your mind about safety and affordability. Folks, go check it out. You will not be disappointed. A great brand, great quality, ready for you and perfect for me. Folks, I hope this up-close portion of the video gave you an opportunity to put this in your cart, which you should do right about now. Thanks for watching, and well, adios, amigos.